Hi friend, this is Ans. You watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we have a code you are seeing for changing the text color. For changing the text color for your heading, you have to write style is equal to color green, and next you have to just ending your first tag, and next you have to ending your heading tag. Next you have to start your paragraph tag, and in the tag you will write style is equal to color yellow, and next you have to close your paragraph tag. Okay, you have to start your HTML tag, you have to end your HTML tag, you have to start your body tag, you have to end your body tag. Everything you will write inside the body will show to the public. So let's try this whole code in the notepad. I am copying this code and I am going to Notepad. So guys, we are on our Notepad. Save this. Open it. So here is a text color, guys. You can see text color in HTML. This is green, this is yellow. You can also change more text colors according to your. For example, I am going for the black. Sorry, for the brown. Next I am going for the pink. Save it. Open that again. So guys, so this is how you can change your text color. So changing your text color, you have to write style in the heading. First heading you have to write in the first tag. Okay, this is the heading first tag, this is the page first tag. Okay, so in the heading first tag you have to write style is equal to, this is quotation, during the quotation you have to write color green. This code you can also for the zoom. So guys, gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.